best friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm J Princess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content. So as y'all know, I'm on my natural hair journey, or I'm on my healthy hair journey. I figured that I should bring more of my hair journey on my YouTube. I'm not a professional when it comes to braiding my hair or twisting hair, but that's what we're striving to look like it was professionally done. And my hair just came out of knotless braids. I did on myself for the first time, which I did good for my first time for doing knotless braids, not gonna lie, but I'm just such a perfectionist. I thought parting was going to be hard for me, but this is the hairstyle that we're going to be striving to do. I'm going to do like cornrows in the front and then mini twists in the back. Before we get further into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And obviously we're going to have to start this hair off with a good wash. Let's first detangle my hair. The first thing we're going to do is split my hair into sections. As you can see, it's not perfect when I split my hair into sections. I use a satin scrunchie.
Come on, oh yeah. Well, I try to tell you so, yes I did, but I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes, maybe now I got the flow, cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that.
This is how much shedding I had, which is not bad, y'all, because I had my knotless braids in for a week and a half. I do keep up with my trims, done 7 to 8 weeks. She's all detangled, and this is how much shedding we have. I definitely like to take my time when it comes to detangling my hair. It's a little more easier when I wash my hair in the shower.
Now I am washing my hair and I use the Design Essentials shampoo, and I make sure the water first absorbs into my hair and then I go in with my shampoo. So I go in with my Design Essentials shampoo. I use my scalp scrub tool. That's what I just call it. It helps make sure I'm really getting in there, making sure I'm getting into my scalp.
Running banks to keep my swine, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show, cause what they didn't know. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Then I go in with my clarifying shampoo. This is actually my first time using this clarifying shampoo. Before, I never had a clarifying shampoo. Don't get me, don't kill me. I never had a clarifying shampoo just because I never used gel on my hair, like heavy access of gel. After the clarifying shampoos, I went in. This is another new product that I tried. It is the Pattern Scalp Scrub. I tell you, it kind of acts like a shampoo, as y'all can kind of see. And when I tell you, my hair felt amazing after this scrub. It felt literally amazing. It was time for me to deep condition my hair. And yeah, I do not have one of them, what is it called? Use a blow dryer. And I've been a little nervous of getting one of them. Now I go back in the shower and I rinse it out with cold water. I made sure I blow dried my hair. Make sure y'all watch simple wash day routine that includes how I blow dry my hair.
my first time doing this. It's not exactly like the picture, kind of using her picture as my inspo, and then also my picture too, because I got this professionally done. Like, I got this style like professionally done. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.